Here we are sa Singapore Zoo. Ito yung day 3 ng Singapore vlog natin. Check natin ang Singapore Zoo kung okay ba siya. Ito, papasok na kami. Nakuha namin yung ticket sa Klook. Ito, titignan natin kung paano i-redeem yung ticket. Singapore Zoo! Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. And guys, pagpasok mo dito guys, yan, mabango siya, hindi siya katulad nung sa ibang mga zoo na pagpasok mo yung amoy na amoy mo na yung ano. Yeah.
Parang amoy eucalyptus.
Oo. Pagpasok mo parang amoy eucalyptus sa entrance niya. So, eto guys. Yan. So, ito yung map ng Singapore guys. Ay, ng Singapore Zoo. So, you're here. That's a giant Asian pond turtle. Turtle, yeah, there. Going next to... What's that? It's otter. Dero! It's so cute! Swimming! Guys, that's the small, Asian small-clawed otter. They're swimming. They're so good in swimming. Let's go. Okay, papunta naman tayo sa ibang animals, guys. Tapos tayo dun sa otter. Ngayon naman. Ayun, guys. Ano yun? A monkey. Buff cheek gibbon. Monkey. Yan siya, guys. So cute! So cute! What are they doing, Aya? They're all up. They will swim. What's this?
Bird.
The great white pelican. Wow! Here. It's the great white pelican, guys. Oh. Huh? Huh? You have the birds? There's many birds. So many. Yan guys, yung mga pelicans. Dami nila, oh. Okay. Tapos, pagtapos mo ng pelicans, guys, ito, makikita nyo yung aming restaurant. So, yan. Yan si aming. Yung mga food nyo, guys. Gusto na lang. Yan. Yung mga food dito sa Singapore Zoo. Dito tayo sa kabila. Natin. Ito pala, air condition to eh. Yung mga foods nila. Yan. Indian, Asian. So may tram din dito guys. Yan, pwede ka mag-tram din. Libre naman yun. Guys, The hippopotamus. Ayan guys. Pasok kami sa hippopotamus. Look! Wait. Oh, look oh. Oh guys, sa alligator oh. Oh, ganyan siya pag nasa ilalim ng tubig. Yan, tapos ulo niya lang yung ano, no? Paangat. Guys, yung hippopotamus ah. Yan. Pygmy hippopotamus. Guys, ito naman yung isa. Ang eksi ng ano niya, oh. Oh. Ang eksi ng bunganga niya. Ito yung hippo guys, oh. Baby hippo. Next rest. Ang cute ng hippo, no? Guys, yung next naman is Australasia. Oh, guys, pag ano nyo dito sa Australasia, ano siya? Air conditioned siya. So, dito ang makikita nyo sa loob ay ano ba? Sa kangaroo. Ayan. Rubella. Hi, say hi to the camera.
That's not the baby
It's not a baby. Okay. Okay, let's go to the other animal.
Can we be okay?
Ay, no. You have that. Let's go. Yan guys, elephants of Asia. Yan yung elephant. Ay, dalawa. Hi! Where's the elephant? This is the elephant. Yan guys, dalawang elephants. Kasama sila. Yan guys, 4 na elephants pala sila. Yung pa yung dalawa. Marami pa ng elephants dito. Yan guys, tapos na kami sa elephants. Oh, that's the skull. Yan guys. 5 times, the brain is 5 times bigger than ours. Oh. Ayan guys, yung ulo ng elephant. Hindi nakaharap. Sa side. Guys, ito yung Splash Safari. Tsaka Into the Wild. Merong show mamaya. 5 p.m. Ang sea lion. Ito siya. Doon siya mamaya. So, wait natin magkaroon ng show. Dito sa may show, meron kang makikita mga pwede ka bumili ng refreshment, mga food, snacks. Yan guys. And then, souvenir shop. Yan, bibili sila here ng ice cream. Ice cream.
Mango.
Yan guys. Yung price dito. Price ng ano yun, food dito sa Singapore Zoo.
Please do not make any sudden movement or run towards the pool during
Yan
the show
guys,
because that might
start na ng
Sea Lion. Can we all
Sea Lion show.
Are we ready for the fun?
Yeah!
Alright, let's dive into the western coast of the United States. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, let's meet our California everybody. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Increase the challenge. How? Wow, this is really testing his sense of self-control. Okay, this is our chance. Let's get together. Hands up. 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Wow, such a tough cookie today. Let's not give up. One last time, okay? 1. One, two, three. Wow, amazing, everybody. Please give yourselves a big round of applause. All of you are so easy to train. All right, as you can see, that piece of fish is still there. Now it's Kavi's turn to play. Look at that amazing sense of self-control. You know why he never touched that piece of fish earlier? Because he knows he's going to get one more for a job well done. And this is what we call intelligence. That's only beautiful. And also in recent days, there are so many pieces of fishing nets found in the oceans. The problem with this is, marine animals could easily get caught in them. They drown and they die. Oh, that's so unfortunate. Alright, but, I think he's expecting something from all of us for a good experience. Wake up, boy.
Yun, pamilya, kakatapos lang ng show dun sa, ang tawag dun, Splash, Into the Splash, ng Sea Lion. So, okay yung show niya, nakakaaliw.
Maganda.
Nakakaaliw. Tapos yung, guys, nga pala, yung pagpapareserve dito sa Singapore Zoo, pag, yung nakuha naming ticket dito sa Klook is, buy one, get one, guys. So, sobrang tipid ng nakuha namin. Sobrang tipid siya. Pag bumili ka ng pang-adult, makakakuha ka ng isang pang-bata. So, tapos, kung gagamitin nyo pa yung code natin na Familia Madriaga Klook, magkakaroon pa kayo ng additional discount na 5%, up to 5%. So, yun guys, pag nakakuha na kayo ng ticket sa Klook, kailangan nyo siyang i-reserve sa sa website ng Singapore Zoo. Yung Manday Reserve, something ganun. Dali, check natin guys. Ayun guys, ang ang website niya is Manday Wildlife Reserve. So, doon kayo magpapa-reserve ng ticket nyo. I-enter nyo lang yung code ng galing sa Klook. Tapos, i-enter nyo dun sa website nila. Tapos bibigyan kayo ng QR code ng Manday Wildlife Reserve. So yun guys, ito meron. Yan guys, Wildlife Africa. Land of the Great, the tallest and fastest and largest land animals walk to the surface of our planet. Ito siya guys. Let's see yung meron dito.
Tatamba ba? You take it.
Look, oh. Yung yan? Rhino? Guys, nakita niyo ba yung rhino? Yan. Ang ganda. Ayun, rhino. Oh.
What's the name of
Akala ko, robot. Mukhang robot. Oh, ganda. Ang dami, oh. Okay, guys. Yan. Yan yung rhino. So, sa kabila. Ito, guys. Katapat lang ng African painted dog. Yan siya, guys. African painted dogs. Yeah, look. Look, oh. Ang dami nila. Ang dami nila guys, oh. Oh, bumababa sila. Bumababa sila. Why are you going down? Ako, baka pupunta sila dito.
That's nonsense. Siguro go out here.
Maybe.
Dogs live on family packs.
Family
6 to
pa.
20
6 to 20.
individuals. Each
Six-
pack is led by a dominant
Male and female.
pair.
The alpha pair. Oh, okay.
When the pack goes for hunt, members take turns to stay behind to care for the puppies. The sick and old, they watch for lions, hyenas, and other danger.
Sakay muna tayo ng tram. Hi! I'll sit there, okay? Ayan guys, yung tram moving na siya.
With that! What's it doing with that, Daddy?
Libre lang to guys, yung tram. Dito sa loob. There's a zebra. Oh. Ayaw.
Can I see?
There, oh. See? See the zebra?
Looks like funny fish.
Do the other. Ayan guys, kung pagod na kayong maglakad, ito, pwede kayo mag-tram. Oh, there's a giraffe. Ayaw.
Why didn't that
Giraffe. So, itong tram guys, iikot kayo sa buong Singapore Zoo.
Daddy, look!
Yung taas niya guys. Yan. Ito naman yung Retopia. Reptiles. Yeah, Retopia. Oh, there's a butterfly aviary. Pwede ba bumaba? There's a butterfly aviary. Ayan, butterfly aviary. Napakalaki pala nitong Singapore Zoo, no? Kailangan pa nila ng truck para malibot mo lahat. Meron din parang playground dito. So guys, rope course. So parang mga obstacle course. Garden with a view. Yan siya. Yan parang magandang lake dito. Pwede kayo mag-picture dyan. Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, our tram service is
Okay, train service already
Please
ended.
disembark.
Thank you.
That's dear.
Did you enjoy the ride? Hmm? You ride the tram, no?
The playground.
What?
A playground.
You saw a playground.
Yes.
And then,
You still a playground.
What?
Let's float, Daddy, with
ano daw?
So fast?
You're so fast in talking. What?
We don't go there.
Later we go there. Simple lang pala. Later we go there. Palabas na kami ng Singapore Zoo. So, guys, okay ba Singapore Zoo? It's okay. Good. What?
Amazing.
Amazing. So, ngayon, ang ano pala dito guys, nag-taxi kami papunta rito. Kasi medyo challenging pagka magko-commute kami ng train. So, ang ginawa namin, nag-grab na lang kami. Yung grab namin is okay lang naman ang price niya. Hindi naman ganun kalaki. Kaysa, syempre, kung mag-MMRT kami at alam ko magbabas pa kami. So, medyo maraming galaw papunta dito sa Singapore. So, unlike kapag nag-taxi ka, isang sakay lang. So, wala pang 30 minutes, nandito na kami sa Singapore Zoo. Mula sa hotel namin, sa may Farrer Park. So yun guys, ngayon magbubuk naman kami ulit ng panibagong taxi papunta sa city naman. Update namin kayo mamaya. Ito guys, yung souvenir shop ng Singapore Zoo. Yan. Bago kayo lumabas, ito yung makikita nyo. Yan, puro mga toy toys, stuffed toys, yan. Yan, mga keychains, mugs. Yan yung mga, ano dito, binibenta na souvenir, guys. Yan. Palabas ka ng Singapore Zoo.
Walang gustong ipabili.
Very good naman ng ate Aya. Ayaw magpabili. Ayan. Ayan, may zebra, may giraffe. Ayan. So, ito, palabas na kami, guys. Update namin kayo mamaya para sa next na ating pupuntahan. Say hi! Okay, pamilya, nandito na kami sa Orchard Road. So, dito kami magdi-dinner sa may Lucky Plaza. O, alam niyo na siguro kung saan yun, ano? So guys, ito, patawid na kami. Konting lakad na lang siguro to. Doon na yung Lucky Plaza. So, ang daming luxury brands dito. Kung pupunta kayo, yan. Adidas, to. Gucci. Diretso lang.
It's in Labu. Ay, is that Labu?
I think it's Paragon.
Paragon.
Yeah. Gucci. Yan. Ito may Takashima Mall. Yan. Bumili si Kuya Alden dyan ng... Ano yung binili mo?
Keychain.
Keychain. Yan. Sa Sanrio. Yan. Ito yung mall na Paragon. Tapos, Prada. Puro luxury brands dito. Sa Orchard Road. YSL. Ayan guys, nakikita ko na. Yung Lucky Plaza. Daming Pilipino dyan, Adi. Yeah. Parang dyan ang kitaan ng mga Pilipino. Oo. Mga OFW natin. Shoutout sa inyo guys. Mga OFW ng Singapore. Yan. Ito, nasa Lucky Plaza kami. Ayan na, nakangiti na siya. Yung red. Yun. You know?
Si Anit.
Yan, oh.
Red.
Oo. Gusto niyo, kumain na daw tayo dyan. Let's go. Okay. Okay guys, it's our turn to order card. Sa inyo yan. Tapos kay Adi, one piece. San? Okay guys. Yung lasa niya. What's the lasa? Ano? Good. It's the same in the Philippines. How about in Hong Kong?
Hong Kong is
No.
Hong Kong is
Yeah.
from this. Hong Kong is super crispy. Yeah.
Oo, yung lasa niya dito, same sa Pilipinas. Pati yung gravy, same na same. Pero yung lasa sa Hong Kong, guys, magkaiba sila. Sa Hong Kong kasi, parang super crispy niya. Saka malalaki yung part sa Hong Kong, no? Guys, kain tayo. Tapos ito guys, punta na tayo sa hotel ulit. Right guys, tapos na dito sa Jollibee, Lucky Plaza. The food is great. Same sa ano natin, yung chicken joy nila. Pero yung spaghetti, not that much. So, yeah, let's go. Okay, pamilya. Nandito na kami ngayon sa train station. Hi! Tatapusin na po natin ang vlog natin ngayon for the day. Ang ating day 2. Day 2 ba ngayon? Day 3 vlog ng Singapore. Ang pinaka-highlights is yung Singapore Zoo. So guys, pagka bibili kayo ng ticket gamitin nyo ang Klook at gamitin nyo ang promo code namin. Familia Madriaga Klook. Up to 5% discount siya. Tapos, guys, yung ticket doon, medyo i-check nyo kasi talaga nagpa-flash sales siya na parang buy one, take one siya. One adult tsaka one child. So guys, magkita-kita po ulit tayo sa next vlog. Day 4 ng vlog Singapore to Malaysia naman ng vlog natin. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. It's Familia Madriaga. Bye guys.